56 is the natural number following 55 and preceding 57. Mathematics. 56 is the sum of the first 6 triangular numbers, as well as the sum of 6 consecutive primes. It is also a Fibonacci number and a pronic number. Adding up the divisors of 1 through 8 gives 56. Since 56 is twice a perfect number, it is itself a semi-perfect number. 56 is a partition number. The number of distinct ways 11 can be represented as the sum of natural numbers. Since it is possible to find sequences of 56 consecutive integers such that each inner member shares a factor with either the first or the last member, 56 is an Erdős-Wood number. The maximum determinant in an 8 by 8 matrix of zeros and ones is 56. Plutarch states that the Pythagoreans associated a polygon of 56 sides with Typhon and that they associated certain polygons of smaller numbers of sides with other figures in Greek mythology. While it is impossible to construct a perfect regular 56-sided polygon using simple square and circle geometry, a close approximation has recently been discovered which it is claimed might have been used at Stonehenge. 56 is the only known number n such that phi sigma equals phi sigma equals phi sigma, where phi is Euler's totient function and sigma is the sum of the divisor function. CA 244439. Science, technology, and biology. The atomic number of barium. In humans, olfactory receptors are categorized in 56 families. The code for international direct dial phone calls to Chile. The maximum speed of analog data transmission over epochs in the 20th century was 56 kbit per second. Astronomy. Messier object M56, a magnitude 9.5 globular cluster in the constellation Lyra. The New General Catalogue object NGC 56, an unverified object in the constellation Pisces. NGC 56 does not appear to be a real object. The Saros number of the solar eclipse series, which began on -1172 July 17 and ended on 144 September. The duration of Saros series 56 was 1316.2 years, and it contained 74 solar eclipses. The Saros number of the lunar eclipse series, which began on -852 May 7 and ended on 428 June. The duration of Saros series 56 was 1280.1 years, and it contained 72 lunar eclipses. Music. Christian punk rock band Flatfoot 56. Along for the Ride, sung by Danny O'Keefe. This song was covered by John Denver. 5 Feet of Lovin', 56, sung by Gene Vincent. Elvis Presley CD, Elvis, 56. The name of a Plexi song. Spanish funk, rock band Experimento 56. Television and film. The car number of Ray Payton, Jr. in Herbie. Fully Loaded. NASA 56, documentary. Roberto, a character in Futurama, gets angered when Bender chooses the number 56-ish when negotiating to spare his friends. Sports. In baseball, the number of consecutive games in which New York Yankees' Joe DiMaggio had a base hit in 1941, still her record. Hack Wilson hit 56 home runs in 1930, a National League record until the time of Mark McGwire. 56 people died in a fire at Valley Parade on May 11 in the Bradford City Stadium fire. Organizations. The symbol of the Hungarian Revolution of 1956. Famous Brazilian politician, Henriques Carneiro has an odd way of repeating the number of his party, 56, making it a widely repeated jargon in his country. 56 Stuff, an international art community and a record label. Department 56, designer of collectibles, giftware and seasonal decorations such as miniature village houses. People. Shirley Temple, as a child, wore 56 curls in her hair. Curls were set by her mother, who thus made sure of the exact number. Isoroku Yamamoto, named Isoroku because his father's age was 56 at his birth, and Isoroku is an old Japanese term meaning 56. Geography. The name of the town 56, Arkansas. The number of counties in the state of Montana. Cape Horn, the southernmost tip of South America, is located at almost exactly 56 degrees south. In the Los Angeles Postal District, Zone 56 is one of few that is not within the Los Angeles city limits. 56 is the number of the French department Morbihan. China has 56 ethnic groups. Archaeology. The number of Aubrey holes in the first stage of Stonehenge. Cosmogony. According to Aristotle, 56 is the number of layers of the universe, Earth plus 55 crystalline spheres above it. History. The number of men who signed the United States Declaration of Independence in 1776. The number of men of Netopher at the census of men of Israel upon return from exile. Occultism. There should be 56 cards in the minor arcana of a tarot deck.